Module 15.1 Interior and Exterior Angles. Content Standard. Prove the theorems about triangles. Language Objective. I will be able to work in small groups to calculate the measure of interior and exterior angles in polygon. So this morning we will work with exterior. So let's explain what we mean by exterior angle first. Right? So let's say you have a triangle. Okay, so this angle here is called your exterior. Right, so for example, this is angle A, angle B, and this point is C. So let's call this X. Okay, so then we see that angle XCA is your exterior angle. Okay, and we say that the measurement of angle XCA is equal to the measurement of angle A plus the measurement of angle B. Okay. Right, so what we're saying that this angle here is equal to the sum of this angle plus this angle. Right? Okay, so let's go over to our example 3. Using exterior angles. You can apply the exterior angle theorem to solve problem with unknowns angle measured by writing and solving the equation. Example 3. Determine the measure of a specific angle. Find the measurement of angle B. So then we see that this is our exterior, right? And these two are our remote interiors. So then we can write an equation of 145 equal to 2z plus 5z minus 2. So in combining like terms, so we have 145 equal to 7z minus 2, so add 2 to both sides, so we have 147 equal to 7z. And now to solve for z, we're going to take 147 divided by 7, so then 21 degree equal to z. But then remember that we need to solve for b, so the measurement of angle B is 5z minus 2. So then we can use some substitution. Right, so this gives us 5 times 21 minus 2. So then angle B would be 103 degree. Right, let's go on to example B. Find the measurement of angle PRS. So if we look at PRS, we're looking for this angle here. Right? Okay, so we know that this angle here is the exterior angle, and these two are the two remote interiors. So we can say 3x minus 8 equal to, well, Q, we see that letter square, that means that this is a 90 degree. So we said 90 plus x plus 2. So then we have 3x minus 8. Combining like terms, so we have x plus 92. So we're going to minus x from both sides and plus 8 from both sides. So we have 2x equal to 100. So then x equal to 50. But then we're not solving for x. Remember that we're solving for PRS. So then we said 3 times 50 minus 8. So then 142 degrees. So then PRX equal to 142 degree. Okay, let's go on to our next two examples. Determine the measure of the specific angles. So we're looking for the measure of angle N in the triangle MNP. So this is our exterior, and these are the two remote interiors. We said 5x plus 50 equal to 63 plus 3x plus 7. Now combining like terms, we have 5x plus 50 equal to 3x plus 60. My mistake, this should be a 3. So I'm going to erase that. So then this should be a 70. So then we have combining like terms, so we have 2x equal to 20, so x equal to 10. But then we're not solving for x, remember we're solving for this angle. So then this gives us 3 times 10 plus a 7. So then would be 37 degrees. Okay, so when you guys do this work, be careful of what they ask for. Right? And number 12, if the exterior angle measure 150 degrees, the measure of angle D is twice that of angle E. Find the measure of the two remote interior angle. So let's say, for example, we call E as x, so D is twice as that, so that gives us 2x. So then the equation we have is 150 degrees equal to x plus 2x. So 150 equal to 3x. So then x is 50 degrees. So that means the measurement of angle E is 50 degrees, and the measurement of angle D equal to 2 times 50 is 100 degrees. Right? Okay, so we're going to try this out, and as you try it out, I'm going to give you the answer. Okay. Use the knowledge of angle relationship to answer questions 17 through 12. Number 7, the sum of the angle measure of a quadrilateral is, and you can fill in the blank. So for the quadrilateral, that means 4, so n is equal to 4. So we use the formula 4 minus 2 times 180. So the answer is 360 degrees. Number 8, the acute angle of a blank triangle are complementary. So then this is the right angle. Remember that for acute, it must be less than 90 degrees, and for complementary, the sum is 90s. So one example we could have is, let's say 30 degrees plus 60 degrees equal to 90 degrees. So these two are acute. Okay. Number 9, the measure of a blank angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measure of its remote interior angle. So we have just learned this. So this is an exterior. And number 10, the angle measure of a triangle are A, 3A, and 5A. Tell the measure of each angle. Right, so here we're working with a triangle, so we know that the triangle, the sum is 180. Right, so we have A plus 3A plus 5A, so that gives us 9A is equal to 180 to solve for, so that A is equal to 20 degrees. So the one angle is 20 degrees, and the other one is 3A. That means that 3 times 20 is 60 degrees, and 5A, so 5 times 20, so 100 degrees. For number 11, you know that one of the exterior angle of an isosceles triangle is 140 degrees. The measured angle of a triangle could be, so then there are two possible answers. Right, so for number 11, I need more room to work this out, so I'll move it to the back. Okay, so let's say you have one of these drawings. Isosceles means that these two are congruent. So let's say we can extend this out. So we're giving that this angle is 140 degree. Remember that this forms a straight line, so it's 180, so this must be 40 degree. But for an isosceles, if these two sides are congruent, that means that these two angles are also congruent. So this is also 40 degree. And for a triangle, the sum is 180. So this must be 100 degree. So one of the possible answers is 40 degree, and 100 degree. Okay, and the other possible is that, let's say we have this drawing, and we extend this line out, and this is isosceles, so these two base angles are congruent. So this is 140 degrees, so this is 40 degree. That means that x plus 40 degree equal to 180. Right? So that means that 2x plus 40 equal to 180. So 2x equal to 140. So then x is equal to 70 degree. Right? So then our other possible answer is 40 degree, 70 degree, and 70 degree. Okay, so 40, 100, and 40, 70, and 70. Right, so that's the end of our 15.1 day 2 notes. So your assignment is to work on number 11 through 14 and 26, and you are to finish your HRW online and turn it in. And number 3, you are to copy down 15.2 day 2 notes, right? And you are to bring in your construction 2.